Draft.so is one of the newest and most powerful AI software tools to hit the market. And in this review, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving into it. If you're someone who values productivity and wants to streamline your work processes, Draft.so might just be the AI tool you've been waiting for. Stick around till the end because I'm going to show you exactly how it works and why it's getting so much attention. And by the way, you can try Draft.so for free right now through the first link below, so don't miss that. First off, let's talk about what Draft.so actually does. This AI tool is designed to help you draft documents, emails, proposals, and other types of written content faster and more efficiently. What's unique about it is that it uses natural language processing to understand the structure of your text and help you refine it, making it more coherent and impactful. This is ideal for busy professionals, marketers, and anyone who's involved in content creation. If you're like me and you've spent way too much time writing and editing, Draft.so can literally save you hours. Now, the second point, Draft.so integrates seamlessly with various platforms. Whether you're using Google Docs, Notion, or even directly on its own platform, it can help you generate content that fits your specific style. This integration makes it really easy to start drafting no matter what tools you're already using. You don't have to worry about switching between apps or copying and pasting your work. Another feature I love about Draft.so is its customizable AI suggestions. This software doesn't just spit out generic content, it's smart. You can fine-tune its suggestions to fit your tone, audience, and specific writing goals. You can also choose the level of creativity and the type of content you want, whether it's casual, formal, or something in between. It adapts to you, making it an incredibly flexible tool for all kinds of writing projects. A huge selling point of Draft.so is its speed. AI tools are great, but often they can be slow, especially when you're working with large chunks of text. Draft.so gets around this problem by optimizing its AI to deliver suggestions instantly without any lag. Whether you're drafting a single paragraph or a full-length report, it's fast enough to keep you in the zone, making sure you're productive without hitting frustrating slowdowns. You may be wondering about the quality of the generated content. Well, Draft.so doesn't just pull from a database of templates. It generates content based on your inputs, which means you can get fresh, personalized drafts that don't feel robotic or repetitive. This is a real advantage for marketers and content creators who need high-quality writing that still sounds human. Draft.so also includes a built-in plagiarism checker. If you're concerned about content originality, you'll appreciate this feature. It ensures your writing stays unique and doesn't accidentally match existing content. This is especially helpful if you're creating content for clients or using AI-generated text for business purposes, where originality is a must. Finally, the best part? You can try Draft.so completely free. Whether you're a freelancer looking to up your game or a business owner in need of quick, high-quality drafts, this software could be a game changer. And again, the first link in the description below will give you access to a free trial so you can see for yourself how well it works. So, if you've tried a bunch of AI software and haven't been impressed, I highly recommend giving Draft.so a shot. I've tried thousands of AI tools in my time, and Draft.so really stands out for its efficiency, flexibility, and quality of results. All the details and my top AI recommendations are in the description below. Go ahead and check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.